So good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again, super late. Apologies on this Friday evening, but I've been busy topping up the tan. Not that you can see, because my lights, I love the lights, I love the lights. The lights are super bright. We have to, obviously, for the fake house, for my fake lifestyle. But do you know why I use this? I see a lot of you people crying, oh, why have you got a fake green screen background house? Because I genuinely just can't be bothered to stick something on the green screen, depending on what story I'm talking about. I just can't be bothered to Google search Andre Onana and stick him on the green screen. What's the point? Genuinely can't be bothered. I'd have to do that for every single story. Allow that. But anyway, I will have something on the back going forward, maybe next month, probably next month, maybe middle of next month. I'll just speak to my graphic designer and get her to design me something. Big up my girl, Melissa. Anyway, we are here to talk about Andre Onana. I don't want to hear no cringe songs. The Arsenal fan base, it's going down. I'm yelling timber. How sad is that fan base? Jesus Christ. Can you see why I'm so more chilled out on this channel? I've seen Man United fans making up this stupid song about Onana. I don't want to hear it. I do not want to sing it. I do not want to talk to it. What is with cringe football fans, by the way? It's almost like it feels an emotional void in their life by supporting a football club. Like, it's almost like they have to support a footballer to get some sort of feeling inside. And these football clubs, by the way, especially United and Arsenal, they actually milk fans that think like that, because there is millions of them between our two fan bases that are so emotionally invested and attached to one footballer rather than the actual football club. I mean, yesterday, Granit Xhaka left. Best day we've had for Arsenal for years. Finally left. Oh, don't go, Granit. Oh, we miss you. Oh, you're a legend. Oh, Granit. And then they're posting out every goal contributor. I mean, get in the bin. Come on, is this where we're at? Anyway, I don't want to get angry. So we're going to talk about Andre Onana. And we have got some breaking news. But before we do that, smash the likes. That would be fantastic. Do subscribe. Come on, we're moving. We move. That's another cringe saying. We move. We move. We are currently on this channel, as it stands, 17,260 subscribers. We have hit another milestone as well. First, we've smashed through the first 1 million views on the channel. We have now smashed through 100,000 hours of watch time on this channel. So the milestones just keep coming and coming. That's what she said. And let's get this channel up to 20k ASAP. Come on. 18k is the next milestone. So move. We move. Anyway, Fabrizio Romano, get your comments and supers in as well. Subs, share, like, all of that good stuff. Man United are now really close to signing Andre Onana. Positive round of talks. Final bid to arrive soon. Then it's done. Total deal will be sealed. He's put that in capital letters. By the end of next week. Personal terms agreed. Manchester United want Onana to travel to the US pre-season tour, which I believe is in about, 10, 12 days, something like that. Now, this is the thing I find funny about Romano, Ornsteins, and any other journalists out there. He's so confident that deal is going to get done. It's almost like he knows it's done. But they have to keep drip feeding it. And I'm not saying he's doing that, but he seems super confident. The deal will be sealed in capital letters next week. Well, the deal's probably already done then. And we had this with Declan Rice. Declan Rice is apparently in Ibiza right now. Well, how's that possible then? Because I know you can get a private jet or a normal jet. Apparently, he was having his medical this afternoon, and then bang, an hour later, he's in Ibiza. Probably had his medical on Tuesday or Wednesday. But then you have to keep drip feeding it, getting the traction, getting the likes, getting the retweets. But listen, this is a great signing for Man United. And I don't care whether anyone wants to sit and cry about it as a Man United fan, because you genuinely haven't seen how good this guy is if you're a Man United fan that is crying for David De Gea, but not wanting Onana. That's how I see it. Listen, David De Gea, I just want to say this. David De Gea was, and I use past tense, was a great goalkeeper. David De Gea is finished at the highest level. He's done. He'll go and get another club. He might even come back to United. Who knows? I don't know. I ain't seen anything on that, so I can't comment. But you are upgrading massively with this goalkeeper. Yeah, this term of modern football, a modern footballer. No. Football's a simple game. You try and concede as less as you can, and you try and outscore your opponent. You have 11 men on the pitch. You pass the ball to each other without trying to give it away. You go and score. When you haven't got the ball, you try and get it back, and you try not to concede a goal. All of these funky terms like transition, half spaces, modern, like, get in the bin. Yeah, football is a simple game complicated by idiots. Yeah, leave that in the comments. Who said that? The oldies are no. Come on, big up the old gang in the chat. But Andre Onana, technically, with his feet, which is the way that football's gone, something I don't necessarily agree with, by the way. You'll be shocked by that. But can you save the ball? Yes. That is a standard thing for a goalkeeper. Roy Keane said, it's his job. You're supposed to be a shot stopper. You're supposed to be saving shots. That is your job. But now they want you to evolve on that. Can you play out from the back with a goalkeeper that's comfortable on the ball? Now, let me tell you now, I've seen enough of Onana, and we were linked to Onana. I think Man United was as well, when he had been done for the drugs, the whatever substance it was that he got done. And he was going for around 7 million quid at the time. And I was like, get him now. Get him now. Get him in my club. Yeah, because this guy, not only can he do his job, but if you want to play out from the back, this guy's range of passes and different styles of passes, he can float one. He can drop one straight on your chest. He can reverse a ball. It's almost like he's an outfield player. He'll come running out. Listen, Man United fans, let me tell you right now, you're going to have nightmares some games next season. Yeah, and do you know what he gives me vibes of in terms of like running out a goal? Jens Lehmann. Yeah, Jens Lehmann used to come running out a goal. Nutty the Germans, the nutty Germans come running out of the goal, and we're like, where is he going? Yeah, Andre Onana does this. Yeah, he doesn't do it very often, but when he does, you're like, whoa, where's he going? Did it in the Champions League final, running out of his goal. I'm like, what are you doing? But then he whipped this, what a pass. And you're going to go up a level, maybe 2 levels with him in goal. Because for me right now, he's better than David De Gea. He's more comfortable and competent on crosses. Yeah, his kicking is miles better. His shot stopping's there or thereabouts the same, maybe better. Depends what camp you want to sit in. But it's his range of passing and his calmness on the ball, which will then calm your centre-backs down, especially if Harry Maguire's playing games next season at any point. It will calm everybody down. And not only that, you now know that you've got another weapon in your armoury. Yeah, because now you can kick it long if you want to kick it long, but now you've got somebody that will be accurate with it and stick it straight on the winger or straight on the CM or straight on the striker. Yeah, or you can just ticky-tacker it around the back. So I think this is a great signing for United. The reported fee I've seen is around 50 mil. Yeah, that's a bargain. Let's just be real with this. That is actually a bargain. It's a position you need to upgrade in. He's one of the best in the world at the minute, and he can do everything. So for me, that's a bargain. Yeah, and this notion that Man United can't spend money until the Glazers sell, complete and utter garbage. Whoever spun that yarn, by the way, needs to get in the bin. Man United's income is one of the highest in the world. There's no way your wage bill is that bad. And I know you've got a big wage bill, but you got nearly 500 grand off of it by getting rid of Ronaldo. Yeah, you got a few others out as well. There's no way in a million years that Man United cannot spend money with the Glazers being there. We've just seen this again. Onana's going to get done for around 50 odd mil. You've just signed Mason Mount. All of a sudden, Man United have done 100 mil. Just like that. Just like that. Inside 1 month of the transfer window being open. 1 month, 3 weeks, in fact, today it is. Job done. But now what you need is a striker. Yeah, I also think you need another midfielder and potentially another defender. But it remains to be seen what you do. But in terms of the goalkeeper, I think we've seen enough sample size, albeit in different leagues, enough sample size to say that he is genuinely going to be a big, big improvement on David De Gea. David De Gea is going this way, Onana's going this way. It's a no-brainer. And anyone that's emotionally invested and attached to David De Gea, just remember, you support Man United. You know, we have this in every fan base. Our 2 fan bases are mad for this, emotionally attaching themselves to a footballer. The footballer don't know you exist. Relax. Why are you doing that? So anybody who is doing that, listen, wake up, man. David De Gea is finished. David De Gea is not good enough to play for Man United anymore. And I'll tell you something, if Fergie was the manager of Man United, David De Gea wouldn't have played this season. Yeah, and then you get people go, yeah, but the fuck is this? Get out of here. I've got an ant running across my Mac. Get out of here. So anyway, as I was saying, yeah, David De Gea got 18 clean sheets or whatever it was. Whoopee. Whoopee. You won a trophy. Fantastic. He was the goalkeeper for that. But at the same time, he has been very, very poor. And I mean very, very poor for the last 2 seasons. 2.5 seasons. Yeah. And if Fergie was the manager, he would have binned him at the end of last season. Not the one just gone, the one before. He would have already replaced him. So I don't understand anybody who thinks that he had 18 clean sheets, we've got to keep him. Why do you fans that think that not want to improve the football club, which is ultimately what you started supporting? It wasn't David De Gea, was it? It was Manchester United. Yeah, and then you emotionally attached yourself to this player or Rashford or whoever, Bruno, whoever it may be. At the end of the day, great players, of course. But ultimately, it is Manchester United Football Club. It is not David De Gea Football Club. David De Gea is not going to play for Man United until he dies. So stop gassing up and hyping up players that are on the downward because you've invested too much emotion into them. Get over it. That's it. It's done. He's finished. Well done. Thanks for the memories. Thanks for helping us win trophies. Blah, blah, blah. And a title. He won a title, what, 11 years ago? When Van Persie was there? We won't go into that one. But yes, he's been a very good goalkeeper. He's been a world-class goalkeeper. He's been one of the best goalkeepers on the planet at some points whilst playing for Manchester United. That day's gone. Finished. Dusted. And everything comes to an end. It's just when you bring it to an end. And Onana's coming in. Fantastic signing. He elevates United. Yeah, I think the signing of Mason Mount, albeit a lot of Man United fans are in meltdown over it, I do actually think if you play him as a number 8, I actually think he'll do all right. So we'll see. We'll see at the end of the season whether there's any trophies won by your football club whilst bringing these 2 in. I do, like I said, think you need a striker. Harry Kane is available. Despite them putting a contract on the table for him or offering him a contract, whatever they're going to do, if Man United go and bid 120 million for Harry Kane, he's going Man United. Yeah, he'll go because Daniel Levy is going to brick it. He's going to absolutely shit a brick. Yeah, because he ain't going to let his prized asset leave that football club for free next summer. So he's either going to have to throw 300-400 grand a week at him and hope that the serial loser that he is says, "Oh, okay, Daniel, I'll stay." Or he takes 100-odd million quid off of someone and Harry goes. For me, if I'm Man United, I'm putting 100 mil on the table, 110, 115, 120. Because if you get Harry Kane, Onana, Mason Mount and one other in midfield, I think you're cooking. I think you're doing all right. Let me know what you think. Leave it all in the comment section. Whether you're a United fan or not, it's irrelevant. Just leave it all down below. How good do you think Onana is? How much levels do you think that takes them up? Do you think they're going to be a lot better? People are going to be watching it saying, "Oh, look, but he was at fault for that goal." They're going to be bang on this case. I've seen a lot of United fans peed off that this guy's coming in and David De Gea has been casted out. Unfortunately for these people, this is an elite level sport. Yeah, it is ruthless. So all these little snowflakes and buttercups and non-binary unicorns, yeah, they're all sitting there. "Oh, but look at the way they've treated him." It is not Disneyland. Yeah, it is not Disneyland. This is elite level sport. Players come, players go. That's it. It's pretty damn simple. And these football clubs are a hell of a lot more ruthless than me as a football fan or other fans that cuss their club out at times. These football clubs are ruthless. Despite all their stupid, toxic positivity, social media and PR posts, yeah, behind the scenes, these clubs are extremely ruthless. And they've had to show some kind of ruthlessness with David De Gea. See you later. Goodbye. You ain't getting a new deal. Jog on. But anyway, let me know your thoughts. Andre Onana to United. Looks like it's going to be done. Fabrizio is super confident. So that only means one thing. It is probably already done. So let me know your thoughts. I think it's a great signing. Like I said, I would have took him at Arsenal before he went to Inter. And nobody really wanted to touch him, did they? Because of the whole drugs thing. But he's proven very, very quickly at Inter Milan that he is the top goalkeeper that we all thought he was. But it's now come full circle. Inter Milan are going to make a load of money out of it. Man United are getting a better goalkeeper. He's getting a bigger football club. Everyone's a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And on that bombshell, like the ting, sub the ting. I shouldn't say ting. Don't sue me. And leave your comments down below and your supers. We're out. We out.